Good morning, everyone. We are going to help Mr. Kevin. He is a very good neighbor of ours. He actually helped us to get our farm going and helped us keep going the first winter. We did not plan ahead with enough hay, and he came through and saved the day and didn't break the bank. So we were very appreciative of him. So when he said something about needing a little help, we were not hesitant at all and said, we will be there. What day do you want it? So we're actually taking our tractor and we're going to take his. His skid steer has issue and we can't keep it running at the moment because it's got a head issue. Well, anyways, needless to say, if it's not running, it won't move. And unfortunately, his is older and it doesn't have a way to release the wheels without taking the whole thing apart. And down where it's at, it's just a sure way to get dirt and debris in there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use brute strength and we're gonna use our 7045 to pull on it. And then Kevin has it's a New Holland T5060, I believe. His got front wheel assist. The drawbar pull rating on my tractor is just shy of 15,000 pounds. The drawbar rating on his tractor was like 9,900 pounds or so. So I'm sure that we can get it. The skid steer itself only weighs 6,000 pounds. So at this point, it's just kind of a matter of, as long as we have traction, we'll be able to pull it out with just one tractor, and the other one might just have to help a little bit. Other than that, we are ready to go, aren't we?
Mm-hmm. Let's first shut the door.
Yeah, we're gonna shut the door. I'll get it. For those of you wondering, when I talked about this being a power shift, so basically I select what range, either high or low range, and then I have 6 gears that once I start out, so I'm using the clutch right now, I'll let out, and once I'm moving, I don't touch the clutch again. I'll show you up here once we get going on the road. Anybody coming, Gehl? What's the rules? Okay, what else?
No swimming.
I don't care so much if you guys play in the water. But the biggest things are, what do we not play near?
Don't remember. Oh,
don't
yeah,
remember?
the track.
Yes. And what else do we stay away from?
Snakes?
Yeah, stay with them too. But what else?
The chain.
Yes. Why?
Because it can snap apart and swing back.
Yes. So we want to stay away from that. We're kind of protected. Me and Mr. Kevin and the cabs of the tractors, we're a little bit protected. All right.
But it can.
You guys can go play.
Could come up and break the glass to get it.
It could, but at that point, I've got this and I've got this that are protecting me a little bit, so it's going to kind of block some of it. All right. The chains are unlikely to break. I just don't want you to be near them. That's all.
Just in case.
Yep. All right. So we made it. It's a beautiful area, by the way, down here. Awesome area. But anyways, oh, I forgot my boots. I wore the wrong ones. I guess my feet are gonna get wet. All right, be careful because this is slick. So Mr. Keevan's tractor is 4-wheel drive, so he has an advantage. And then we're gonna air these tires up real quick, and then we'll get ready to go. Morning, Keevan.
Hey, how you doing? You ready to tackle this?
I'm ready.
You brought help.
I did. You know, I brought the supervisors. I was gonna throw the generator in your bucket.
Yeah, when we get done, let's
well,
air these tires up.
Oh, you're just gonna walk back and forth to this?
Yeah, well,
that's probably easy.
Bring the generator over here and we'll air the tires up. We'll spot everything over here out of the way.
Yeah.
We'll get loaded and I'll come back and get it all in my bucket then. Yeah.
Well, that's what I'm saying, but it's on the forks of my tractor.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, let's go get that. Get this started. We've got all the tires almost aired up. Just got to air up one more. We dragged it forward to get off of the basically all the ground it settled into. Been here for a little while, so it runs. Well, it did run good. It's got a head issue, so we can't run it to get it out of here. But the good news is Alice is here. She'll work hard. It's really not that hard to work for her. That thing weighs about 6,600 pounds. The drawbar rating on my tractor, like I said, is about 15,000 on the Nebraska test.
It's moving. The bottom's popping out. It's going. It's going. You want to talk about some damn luck. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah. If the damn tires would just roll.
Hey, at this point,
I don't think
we got it aired up.
We're just going to drag it.
Let's not get too greedy.
Yeah. How we'll get it on the trailer, don't know yet, but we're going to get it to the trailer anyways.
I think the important part is getting it out of here.
Exactly right.
We got a lot more options once we get up there.
Once we get up there, yep. Well, you call Harry
Acres. Yeah, he's got
he's got a little dozer.
He does.
He said he thought he could pick up half of it.
I'm sure he can pick up half of it.
I'm not so sure if we get it trailer set right. I think get a ramp in there of some sort. I'm not so sure we got a tractor we can about push it.
Push the damn thing.
Let it slide on that trailer.
Pull it too.
That's that.
Well, pulling it's
fun.
No, if you turn the truck, just basically jackknife it.
I know, but I don't know if my bed's still going to clear and get out of the way of the chain.
Don't matter because we can go the other way with it. I've got
plenty of chain so we can get it.
I go whatever angle we want.
Yeah.
No, we could be up at the house almost full.
I keep bearing her up, Dad, until that beat pops out.
Yeah. It might take a little bit of pressure. I blew the carburetor out with the air compressor so that we could.
Oh, is that what it is?
They had some junk in it.
Got junk in it.
I need to empty that fuel tank. Like I said, that fuel's been in there. We've added stable in it for years now, though. I mean, you can only do that so much.
Yeah, and then you dump it, clean it out.
Yeah,
It's a metal tank, ain't it?
I think it's got like 8 gallons or something.
Yeah, it's metal though, ain't it?
Oh, yeah.
It may be rusted.
Did you want to listen
not
the lines
rusty on
back
the
all the way
inside.
off, or what?
Yeah, we put them back on by hand.
Just by hand a little bit.
Let's raise it up and take them completely off. I don't think we got enough water to contend with there to cause any problems.
Well, what I'll do is I'll take them all the way off and I'll put them on with one thread.
I think it's got enough. Even with it's going to push whatever pressure you build.
That's true.
Yeah.
I don't have them tight by any means.
No, that's what
it's only got like 2 or 3 threads on it.
I think I'd
so
leave
it does push it, should push it out.
I'd leave it so it keeps all the debris out.
Yeah, I don't disagree with you on that.
make sure I understand. Good job there, Allis.
So we got it through all the hollers and everything else, surprisingly, without any issues. Now Kevin's gonna back his truck up with the trailer, try to get up against this berm, or well, the embankment rather. And then our plan is to use the long chain. He's gonna jackknife the truck so we can run a chain through the front of the trailer and pull this hopefully onto the trailer. What'd you guys think? Oh, Allis flexed her muscles, didn't she?
Look what I found.
Oh wow, sparkly.
I crystal rock.
You guys have been playing pretty good. If you get up there in the tractor, see it right here? There's 3 bars. One of those is for me. What's that, Jeremy?
You lost that rock on this side.
I kind of thought that one was gonna fall out because this one was taller.
I just worry about Dad's truck being left home.
Well, I think what's gonna happen is we're gonna
Well,
have
I'm
to pull.
gonna follow him in the Holland, or I might drive the truck, whichever. And if he does end up needing some help, I'll get that bucket and push him on the ass of the trailer.
Yeah, that's what I forgot was that big tire. I was gonna bring the tire for that.
Oh.
I forgot about it. Whoops.
Come back, Dad.
Look through your window.
That's about as close as it's gonna get.
Yeah, he needs to go back straight though.
That's about as close as it's gonna get. That's pretty damn.
We're not gonna be able to pull.
That's all he's got.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to pull though. Might be able to pull with the loader. We can put the chain on the loader. Yeah, and then I just looked at that. We're not gonna be able to reach through like I was hoping.
Jackknife enough to get away from it, so.
Well, what I was thinking was that since you have front wheel assist, we could probably put the chain on your bucket and you could help and I could push.
And I could get here and get up high enough
Yeah, and I can just push.
and just push. I think we can make that work. Let me get that squared up a little
All right.
bit. Where's the kids at?
We're not far. Oh, they're out of the way. Yeah, they know to stay away. They've been swatted enough to learn.
I built the damn through, bottom out, trying to go out.
I think it's probably going to, but again, we got enough tractor to
Yeah.
get out.
Yeah, I mean, that damn bumper's made out of some strong ass damn metal, so I don't
Oh,
see
yeah.
it bending that up.
I don't think we'll have an issue. I think we're just gonna have it.
No.
We're gonna have to pull on them a little bit.
I'd feel more comfortable with the forks and the bale, instead of bale on it, but push with, but it is what it is.
Well, if
There's really any hay here.
there's none,
No.
not even a
I
jump
done
one.
thought of that.
I could have grabbed one.
That's,
and brought
that's
one,
when
but I
Dad said,
think
I will just use the bucket, front and loader.
Yeah.
Turn this tire, yeah. Good.
Can you back up again?
Yeah, I can.
Go up and well, do you want to set it down? I don't think it'll go back behind it. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So now we're just going to build a ramp. We're going to pull the ramp. Well, no, unless you guys bring it forward, and then I can back it up.
One side, I go to the other side, lift it up, and Jack can bring it back up.
Well, then you just jump forward. Just get forward, just like handback.
Oh, I got you. Okay.
Good morning, everyone. It is almost 3:30 in the morning. It's about time to wake the privates up, get their day started. The video is going to have to be broken into 2 videos because it is just way too long. It's going to be almost 50 minutes long if I turn it into one. So please check out the next video to see how and if we get it loaded without damaging anything. And I hope you're all enjoying it. If you are enjoying the videos, please hit that like button, give it a thumbs up. That helps our channel grow and reach a broader population and helps us to reach around the world, essentially. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a blessed week.